All right, so you go to Google, we're in Chrome right now, and you just type Hearts of Iron 4 in mobile. You're gonna see this, and you're gonna see others uh that says you can play it. But the thing about this is like if you go to Reddit, right? Somebody's asking, can somebody find a game like Hearts of Iron 4 in mobile? But you know, like there's nothing like that there. And there are other things here like Hearts of Iron 4 mobile APK for Android download. So this is a bit sketch. There's a lot of reviews apparently, and we can see and Play just keeps sending me to so like a lot of APK quote unquote games are not real. So long story short, you cannot play Hearts of Iron 4 on mobile. This person, these are clickbaity. Sure, our titles are a bit clickbaity, but Hearts of Iron 4, right? I'm in Steam right now. Hearts of Iron 4. As you can see here, it is a PC game. Not only is it a PC game, it's from 2016, but it's still very expensive. As you can see, it's almost 1,300 PHP, money in the Philippines. That's pretty much, what, $30-$40 for a game? And you're going to see the specs here as I scroll down. As you can see the specs here, it's not that high, but it's still not, your phone still won't be able to run this, right? So Hearts of Iron 4, sadly, you cannot play online. I mean, on your mobile phone. So again, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.